गुड मॉर्निंग गुड मॉर्निंग गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग ब्रेक बोल सकते. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग योर सेशन इन द मॉर्निंग, normally in the evening, but yesterday only we have done with the investment accounting, and I know after a very short break you have to attend today's session. Yes, good morning to all of you. Beta, today we are going to start with the illustration part. So yesterday we covered all concepts. So tell me in the comment section how many of you have done already the illustration part which I have given you as homework. So how many of you have completed? Say in the comment section. And I know though it is a Sunday or Sunday blockbuster है आज का, why? Reason is very important. Okay, first one is Navratri तो चल रही है, and apart from that today is yes one best versus best. Who is best versus best? And who is going to win? तो कौन है आज के विनर, क्या लगता है आपको? चलो राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड बिफोर स्टार्टिंग टुडे सेशन फर्स्ट वी विल क्विकली रिवाइज. सिर्फ लाइट चालू कर देता हूँ एक. सो ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम बेटा. होमवर्क करना जरूरी था, ठीक है, नहीं हुआ इट्स ओके. S13 सर, व्हाट आर यू टेकिंग? S13. आई हैव गिवन यू होमवर्क क्वेश्चंस 10, 11, 12. ओके ओके बेटा. इंडिया जीतेगा. ओके, इंडिया वर्सेस न्यूजीलैंड में. यस, वेरी गुड. चलो बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ, तो संडे का दिन है और S13 के illustrations we are going to solve. But before starting any session, what is the secret of Sanket's session? Yes, first we will quickly revise all accounting standards because your दुनिया ये आपकी है अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड एंड अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड. ओके, सो S1 disclosure of accounting policy, S2 inventory valuation, S3 cash flow statement, S4 contingencies and events occurring after balance sheet date, S5 net profit or loss for the prepared items and changes in accounting policy. S number 6 is removed, 7 is construction contract, 8 is removed, 9 revenue recognition, 10 is property plant and equipment, 11 effects of changes in foreign exchange rate, 12 number government grant, 13 number accounting for investment, 14 number accounting for amalgamation, 15 is employee benefits, 16 number borrowing cost, 17 number segment reporting, 18 number related party disclosure, 19 number leases, 20 number earning per share, 21 is consolidated financial statement, 22 accounting for taxes on income, 23 is investment in associates in consolidated financial statement. And then you have 24 discontinued operation, 25 interim financial reporting, 26 intangible asset, 27 investment in joint venture, 28 impairment of assets, and 29 is provisions, contingent liability, and contingent assets. I hope you are aware about all names of these accounting standards. Yes, we are done with the illustration 10. Sorry, 11 number I think we have finished with, and 9 number we are going to skip it. 10 number, yes, we'll start with 10 number. And my dear students, क्या हो गया है इसको? एक ही मिनट. Yes, we'll start with illustration number 10. Good morning to all of you. Okay बेटा राहुल, ठीक है, विल टॉक इट लेटर. दिव्या बोल रही है आज का सेकंड था 42 सेकंड. अच्छा, दिव्या मेरा स्पीड भी चेक करती है. अरे वाह रे वाह. यस बेटा, अदर स्टूडेंट्स ज्वाइंड और नॉट, और यू फॉरगॉट दैट टुडे वी हैड अ लेक्चर. भूल गए क्या आप लोग आज लेक्चर था? यस, संडे हो या मंडे, रोज करना है अकाउंट्स डे. चेक करने दो बाबा यूट्यूब पे. मेरा अकाउंट्स को मिस कैसे कर सकते हो तुम लोग? चलो फास्ट ज्वाइन हो जाओ, ज्वाइन हो जाओ. आज क्या संडे है तो एंजॉय करोगे क्या? आधे लोगों को पता ही नहीं था आज लेक्चर है करके. टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद अ फ्रेश अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड S16. सो डोंट मिस टुमारो सेशन. एंड आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट वन सेशन इज नॉट अनदर सेशन से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, एक्सेप्ट सेम अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड इज गोइंग ऑन. चलिए बेटा स्टार्ट करें. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 10 पे आ जाइए, आ जाइए, आ जाइए फटाफट फटाफट. इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 10 पे आ जाइए. गुड मॉर्निंग एक बार बोल तो दीजिए भाई, अच्छा लगता है आपको. सर डिवाइड के 10 में न्यू एडजस्टमेंट्स प्लीज एक्सप्लेन. यस बेटा. यस्टरडे सेशन दोज हु अटेंडेड, you will find today's session very interesting and you will get every concept because same questions are there, same calculations are there, so we don't have to worry about all our calculations. हाँ yesterday session बड़ा obvious थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था. अरे आप लोग ज्वाइन हो रहे हो क्या नहीं हो रहे हो बेटा? चलो. क्या रोज का अटेंडेंस नहीं दिख रहा है मॉर्निंग में लेक्चर लिया तो? वाई स्टिल स्लीपिंग बेटा और नॉट इन मूड ऑफ स्टडी? संडे को संकेत सर का सेशन नहीं लग रहा है क्या आपको? चलो भाई मुझे भी आज बहुत ट्रैवलिंग करके जाना है. न्यू बुक्स परचेस कर लीजिए बेटा. चलो चलो चलो, वेटिंग फॉर मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स टू ज्वाइन. नोटिफिकेशन आ चुका है और हमने होमवर्क नहीं किया सर, इसलिए जो बच्चे ज्वाइन नहीं हुए बेटा डोंट वरी, यू आर नॉट डन योर होमवर्क बट इफ योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर क्लियर यू कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड टुडे सेशन, डोंट वरी. चलो शुरू करते हैं. 1 अप्रैल 2001 बेटा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आज, लिख के प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. First question, beta, I won't use tick ticky G, but in second question, I'm going to use tick ticky G. Okay, only for one question, I'm not going to use tick ticky G. XY Limited has 15,000 equity shares. કેટલો છે? 15,000 equity shares of ABC Limited at a book value of rupees 15 per share. तो बेटा सबसे पहले number one, this is opening balance. To balance brought down. To balance brought down. Nominal value, why it is given बेटा? चलो याद करो याद करो. Today I'm going to ask you some cross questions. हाँ nominal value, why it is important? Nominal value, बसवराज जी. yes बेटा. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Nominal value came important છે બેટા? Can you tell me nominal value, why it is important? Yes, why it is important nominal value? ओए who wrote interest? हाँ बेटा शेयर्स का प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है अनमोल. शेयर्स का प्रॉब्लम है तो इंटरेस्ट बोलेंगे या डिविडेंड बोलेंगे बेटा? डिविडेंड. नॉमिनल वैल्यू लिख के रखो, इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर डिविडेंड कैलकुलेशन. इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर डिविडेंड कैलकुलेशन. ऑन 1 जून 2001 इंटरेस्ट कौन बोला रे? डिविडेंड ना? हाँ डिविडेंड. इंटरेस्ट वाले गलत है. डिविडेंड कैलकुलेशन अरे शेयर्स छे तो डिविडेंड छे. ओके. तो 1 जून 2001 को XY लिमिटेड एक्वायर्ड 5,000 इक्विटी शेयर्स फॉर ₹1,00,000. ओ हो सेकंड लॉट आया. सेकंड लॉट. सेकंड लॉट में टू बैंक. अच्छा. एबीसी लिमिटेड अनाउंस द बोनस एंड राइट इश्यू. सर बोनस एंड राइट इश्यू पे डोंट गिव दिस डिविडेंड. नो डिविडेंड वाज पेबल ऑन दिस शेयर्स. बोनस शेयर्स कितने बोनस शेयर्स दिए बेटा? चलो बोनस शेयर्स बताओ. 15,000 शेयर्स ऑलरेडी थे, 5,000 शेयर्स हमने एक्वायर किए. सो यू हैव 20,000 शेयर्स एंड रेशियो 1 शेयर फॉर एवरी 5 शेयर्स. सर सिमिलर प्रॉब्लम. देयर इज नथिंग which is difficult in this question. Sundar problem and similarly XY problem. 1 share for 5 shares. 4,000. How much बेटा? ये संडे को इतना कम अटेंडेंस नहीं चलेगा रे. 4,000. Okay. Then better tell me बोनस शेयर्स की कॉस्ट कितनी होती है? हु इज गिविंग द फास्ट आंसर? व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ द बोनस शेयर्स? चलो 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 जल्दी बताओ, बोनस शेयर्स की कॉस्ट कितनी है? जल्दी बताओ जल्दी बताओ, व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट फॉर बोनस शेयर्स? हाँ जी सर, 4,000 शेयर्स, यू आर करेक्ट, दिस इज द थर्ड लॉट। एंड व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट, कॉस्ट ऑफ बोनस शेयर्स? जल्दी बताओ बेटा, कमेंट सेक्शन में फटाफट 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 बोलो बोलो बोलो। बोनस शेयर्स की कॉस्ट क्या है रे? एकदम इजी છે, બોનસ શેરની કોસ્ટ કેટલી છે? બોલો બોલો, ચલો. It's a free of cost, sir. Zero. Who gave the first answer? First answer by मोहम्मद सोहेल जी. एंड मोहम्मद सोहेल है सीआरओ का बंदा अपना, ओके, सेंट्रल वाला बंदा, फॉर 0 रुपीज। हाँ जी। राइट शेयर्स की क्या ट्रीटमेंट होती है? चलो, व्हाट आर दी टू ट्रीटमेंट्स? आइदर यू गो बाय, देयर आर टू ऑप्शंस, यू हैव टू राइट दिस टू ऑप्शंस इन द क्वेश्चन कमेंट सेक्शन। चलो, राइट शेयर्स के ऑप्शंस क्या क्या होते हैं? नंबर 4, how much right shares you are receiving? One share for every 6 shares. So what are the right shares का treatment? Book half of the right shares. Okay. Can you tell me राइट शेयर्स की ट्रीटमेंट क्या होती है? आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू अबाउट राइट शेयर्स की ट्रीटमेंट। एंड हु गिव द फास्ट आंसर? फास्ट आंसर बाय माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टेल मी राइट शेयर्स की ट्रीटमेंट ओनली, आई डोंट वांट। हो, वेरी गुड। हु रोट वेरी फास्ट? राहुल शर्मा। राहुल शर्मा, सिर्फ सेंटेंस गलत हुआ, एक्वायर बोलने से अच्छा है सब्सक्राइब। ओके, सब्सक्राइब इज द करेक्ट वर्ड, बट यस, आई विल गिव यू मार्क्स फॉर दैट। रिनाउंसमेंट, एंड आफ्टर राहुल एनआरओ का बंदा था। यस माय डियर, आइदर यू सब्सक्राइब इट और यू कैन रिनाउंस इट। तो रिनाउंस करो या सब्सक्राइब करो। ओके, सो राइट शेयर्स की ट्रीटमेंट क्या है? राइट शेयर्स की ट्रीटमेंट है आइदर सब्सक्राइब, चाबी, सब्सक्राइब, रिनाउंस। दक्ष, एक ही मिनट, हाँ बेटा। ओके बेटा, सो नाउ वी हैव 24,000 shares into 1 by 6, 4,000 shares, and sold, subscribe is 2,000 shares, subscribe is 2,000 shares, and renounce is 2,000 shares. What is a right share price, sir? 20% premium. Premium is 20%. मतलब 10 rupees is a face value and 20% is a premium. तो security premium के साथ one share you are going to issue at 12 rupees. Okay. And renouncement at 8 rupees is given in the question. Na? Sold the remaining rights. Remaining rights sold. Sold matlab you can write over there. This is renouncement, sir. 16,000. And we subscribe for 24,000. Dividend for the year ended 31st March 2001. That is the last year. So tell me the treatment of dividend now. How many? Yes, beta. What is the treatment of dividend? Dividend is divided in how many parts? Two parts. So two parts is the answer. So which two parts? Dividend कौन से दो होते हैं? चलो जल्दी से कमेंट सेक्शन में, लेट्स सी इज आंसरिंग वेरी फास्ट। नेक्स्ट आंसर आशुतोष ने गलत दिया बेटा, रिनाउंसमेंट के दो ट्रीटमेंट होते हैं, सब्सक्राइब और सोल्ड. You have given the answer of dividend. So Ashutosh ji, your answer is different, but that is the answer of dividend. What you have given in the comment section. डिव्हिडंडचे दोन टाईप आहेत सर. पहिला टाईप आहे प्री एक्विजिशन एंड पोस्ट एक्विजिशन. गुंजन देवी, गुंजन बेन हमारी है सीआरओ की, तो सबसे तेज आंसर देने वाली थी गुंजन. प्री एंड पोस्ट. And what is the entry for pre and post? That is my second question. What is the entry for pre and post? Can you tell me the entry also? Can you tell me the entry also? Entry for pre and post? Yes, who is answering very fast? Pre के आंसर्स और पोस्ट के आंसर्स बताइए. Yes, pre post dividend. So entry is for pre. Let's see who is answering fast. बँकेच्या डेबिटला टू इन्व्हेस्टमेंट. पोस्ट इज बैंक डेबिट टू पी एंड एल. बैंक डेबिट टू पी एंड एल. सो सबसे तेज आंसर किसने दिया बेटा? सबसे तेज आंसर बैंक टू इन्वेस्टमेंट. वेरी गुड. गौरी देशपांडे जी. अरे वाह रे वाह. गौरी के पहले भी आए हैं आंसर. सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी. नहीं, गौरी इज द फर्स्ट वन who wrote very fast. Bank to investment and bank to P&L. So what are the treatments? Yes. Now you are finding this chapter interesting also and correct also. Okay. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से लिखा है वैष्णव बनवरी जी. मिस वैष्णवी होगा शायद, आई डोंट नो. वैष्णव हो चुका है. सो बनवरी जी, yes, you are correct. And sold half of its shareholding. So how many shares you have? 20,000 plus 24, 24 plus 26. Yes, 26,000 shares. Out of that, you sold half. So 13,000 shares into 16.5. But brokerage is a new concept over here. And see, brokerage is deducted at the time of sale and added in purchases. So what is the treatment? Brokerage, add if purchase. You can write over there. And less if it is sold. So we are going to deduct the brokerage amount. And here we have finished with all concepts. Yes. Any doubt? Waiting for your doubts. Still, if you have any doubt, beta, you can ask me. हाँ जी, कुछ भी डाउट्स होंगे तो पूछो. अदरवाइज वी विल सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन इमीडिएटली. नहीं तो हम लोग लेंगे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में. कुछ भी डाउट्स होंगे तो बताओ बेटा. फटाफट 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 फटाफट. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Brokerage will deducted. Yes. Bonus share free of cost, beta. My queries are reaching to you. Yes, beta Swati. Why not? सब ब्रोकरेज का लॉजिक क्या है? ब्रोकरेज बेटा, ब्रोकरेज वी पे. जब हम लोग कुछ परचेस करते हैं तो वी पे ब्रोकरेज. ओके. और जब हम लोग कुछ सेल करते हैं तो दे डिडक्ट अवर ब्रोकरेज. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई एम सेलिंग एट ₹100 एंड ब्रोकर हैज चार्ज मी 5%, सो आई एम गेटिंग ओनली 95. ₹100 के ऊपर 5% ही विल चार्ज, सो माई नेट रियलाइजेबल वैल्यू विल बी 95. एंड सपोज इफ आई परचेस समथिंग तो आई हैव टू पे एक्स्ट्रा, ऐड करना है. सो ₹100 का मैंने शेयर खरीदा, तो एक्स्ट्रा ब्रोकरेज तो मेरे हाथ में से और ₹5 जाएगा, तो जेब में से 105 जाएगा. ओके, सो ब्रोकरेज इज एडेड इन केस ऑफ परचेस, brokerage is added in case of purchase, and brokerage is deducted in case of sales. Anmol, Anmol, Anmol. Interest. Yes. और कुछ शक या सवाल? Screenshots of concepts बेटा. Yes, today I will give you screenshots. और कुछ डिफिकल्टी है क्या मेरे दोस्तों? चलो तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. यस, फर्स्ट ड्रॉ दिस बेटा. ड्रॉ ड्रॉ ड्रॉ. टीवाई के 10 का फॉर्मेट ड्रॉ कीजिए. यस, एंड आफ्टर ड्रॉइंग बेटा, 10 to 12 lines. Then P&L account, 6 lines. Okay, 6 to 7 lines P&L account. And working note we will prepare afterwards. So draw fast. Investment account, scrip. Scrip is equity shares of ABC Limited. Books of XY. Books of XY. That I have forgot to write. Books of XY Limited. 3/4 page. And after that beta columns draw कीजिए P&L account and tell me comment section में over. स्केल से प्रॉपरली ड्रॉ करना ऑन वन पेज. Our format ready? Everyone is ready, beta? Okay. Chalo, now I won't stop. Now we'll start with this question. Write down one by one. Chaliye. So write down, beta. Two balance brought down. First April, two balance brought down. 15,000 shares. You acquired it at 2,25,000. Say yes or no? Yes, sir. Next. On 1st June, two bank. Two bank. 5,000 shares for rupees 1 lakh. Bonus shares. 1st July. Bonus shares. 4,000 shares. How you calculated? 20,000 into 1 by 5. 4,000 shares for 0. Then right shares. Date is 1st September. Two bank. Right. 24,000 into 50%. 2,000 shares. 2,000 shares into rupees 12. 24,000. And on the same date, in P&L account, buy rights sold 2,000 shares, 8 rupees, 16,000. Dividend 31st October, buy dividend post acquisition. See, on this tool 15,000 shares. On this 15,000 shares into 10 face value into 20%. So 15,000 into 10 into 20%. 30,000 is a post acquisition dividend. And you can write over this 31st October by bank pre-acquisition dash in the number of shares column always dash for dividend and interest. So 5,000 shares into 10 rupees is a face value and 20%. So 20% is a dividend rate 10,000. Mobile and pen रहेगा 10,000. 10,000. Yes. Now last one. Now you have how many shares? 26,000. 1st January. 1st January, 1st January, how many shares you sold? Yes. 13,000 shares. Yes, beta. 13,000 shares you sold by bank. 13,000 shares you sold. 13,000 into 16.5 and brokerage 1%. 212,355. Whenever there is a sale, what is important point? Calculate profit or loss. So write down the profit or loss. Working note 1. Calculation of profit or loss on 1st January 2002. Calculation of profit or loss on 1st January 2002. Serial number, particulars, computation, and rupees. Roman 1, sales value as above. As above. 212,355. Roman 2, less cost. Cost beta. See, we will use weighted average method. Compulsory. In weighted average beta, we will take a total of amounts 225, 225 plus 100 plus 24. Last के 3 zeros deducted beta. Minus 10 pre-acquisition dividend. And number of shares 15 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2. Multiplied by how many shares you sold? 13,000. 225 plus 100 plus 24 minus 20 minus 10 divided by 26 into 13. 169,500. Roman 3, profit. 1 minus 2, 42,855. 42,855 is a profit. So profit you can write over here. 1 January by profit on sale 169,500. Oh, sorry, it's my mistake. 42,855. And second effect on 2 profit on sale 42,855. And then balancing figure 31st March. By balance carried down. Now you only calculate and tell me the answer. By balance carried down. Yes, use calci and P&L account में to balance carried down. Yes, students, what are you getting? The buy balance, carried down. I'm waiting for your calculations. $13,000. And you must get the answer 169,500. Is it correct? We have not credited 30,000. We have credited in investment account only 10,000. And P&L का balancing figure 88,855. Yes. Any difficulty now, beta? No difficulty, na? $88,855 ना P&L. बड़ा इंस्टीट्यूट में बहुत सारे वर्किंग नोट्स है और इंस्टीट्यूट ने डिविडेंड कॉलम भी यहाँ पे नहीं लेना चाहिए, पर ठीक है. इजी छे, मस्त है. Shares are valued at average cost is what we calculated is weighted average only, beta. What we calculated is weighted average. Surendran, what we calculated is called as weighted average. Yes. चलो. Mr. Purohit. One more question, beta. Mr. Purohit furnishes you the following information, and here brokerage is given on X interest. Brokerage is given on X interest. And FIFO method. Market value, closing balance. So please check your question in the exam, because brokerage is hidden adjustment. Huh? Mr. Purohit closes books of accounts on 31st March. And due date of interest is 30th September and 31st March. So balance sheet date, here, first line, balance sheet date is equal to interest receipt date. Therefore, no opening and closing interest receivable. Balance sheet date is equal to interest receipt date. Yesterday difficulty, now it's easy. Yes, I know that. कल थोड़ा टफ लगने वाला था, because yesterday session was your first session. और जिन्होंने भी इज्जत से पढ़ाई की वो सबको इजी जाने वाला है. Those who has understood it last minute तक जो बैठे थे, yes बेटा, for you it will be very easy. why interest accrued in the opening balance is debited, Anmol ji, and closing balances is credited? Okay, good question. Good question. See, beta, on 31st March, what is the entry for interest receivable? Interest receivable is my asset. So this is my asset, which is debited. And to interest, I booked my income. I booked my income in yesterday's problem. Booked, इसको क्या बोलते? Book कीजिए income. Income is booked for 3 months. Why 3 months? Yesterday 31st December था. Sorry. 31st December था. Last interest received on September. So October to December, I booked my income. Though it is not received, I booked my income. Correct hai? So interest income I booked, and asset side pay interest receivable is there. Now the question is, try to understand. Now the question is, interest receivable. So interest account को हमने क्या किया? Credit. And therefore we have recorded on the last line by receivable. And on 1st Jan, we reverse this entry because this is not the income of the current year. So we reverse the income because you are going to receive it in the next year. And in next year, you cannot record it as income. Okay, so we have to cancel our income. So this is 1st January ko we pass entry in the reversal way. Reverse the entry. So reversal, interest account debit to interest receivable. So first line, interest is debited. And first line पे हम लोग लिखेंगे to receivable. What we are writing? To receivable. Got the concept? Are easy check? Ah, sir, easy. Yes. Okay. टिकटिकी जी को रख के सॉल्व करो. यस बेटा, टिकटिकी जी को रख के ही सॉल्व करेंगे. Yes. So now, so this is the logic of receivable. Receivable का logic है. Now balance sheet date and interest receipt date are not same. Are same. So no opening and closing receivable. So illustration 11, no opening. Illustration 11, opening and closing receivable. As balance sheet date is not equal to interest receipt date in TYK 11, but TYK 12, no opening and closing receivable. Okay. 1st April 1,20,000 and 1,18,000. Okay. 1 July. So you have 1,20,000 units. Then you added beta 100 debentures on 1 July. Debentures add kiye to 10,000. 10,000 added. Then you have this September. Interest received. 1,30,000 into 8% into 6 by 12. 6 months ka interest received, 5,200. Should I use tick-tick-G technique here? Yes, I'm asking you all. 1st October we sold. So 1st July, कितना months लिखूं यहाँ पे? 3 months. April, May, June. Same technique. This September आया. 1 October sold. 0 months. 20,000 minus हुआ. First in, first out. 20,000 का minus. मतलब credit. So now you left with 1,10,000. I purchased debentures 1st Jan. 1st Jan मतलब September, October, November, December. 3 months का डिबेंचर 5,000 एड 50 डिबेंचर्स 50 मतलब 5,000 फेस वैल्यू 5,000 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया सोल्ड 200 200 मींस लेस 20,000 फेस वैल्यू हाउ मनी मंथ्स का इंटरेस्ट 4 मंथ्स जनवरी डोंट कंसिडर फेब्रुआरी सो इट्स अक्टूबर नवंबर डिसंबर जनवरी नेक्स्ट 31st March 2002 130 1,30,000 minus 20,000 plus 5,000 minus 20,000 so 95,000 no okay correct 95,000 into 8% into 6 by 12 3,800 3,800 ठीक है so 3,800 1,35,000 minus 40,000 what wrong beta no I'm wrong I think it's 95,000 only क्या मिस्टेक किया है मैंने 95,000 ओनली ना हाँ करेक्ट है 90,000 इज करेक्ट नो हाँ जी सर चलो स्टार्ट करें हाँ चलो स्टार्ट करते बेटा यस ड्रॉ फास्ट take on two pages take on two pages this question compulsory 2 pages books of Purohit investment account and draw format this time yes what are the columns date particulars face value interest cost date particulars face value interest cost and beta prepare 3 working notes because you are selling on कितना टाइम बेच रहे हो आप you are selling it for 1 2 and closing balance as on 31st March 2002 so prepare these working notes serial number particulars skip 5 lines 6 lines serial number particulars computation rupees and I'm giving you exactly 2 minutes to prepare the working notes chalo 3 minutes chalo 3 minutes 3 minutes to prepare it properly date particulars face value interest cost date particulars face value interest cost प्रॉपरली ड्रॉ कीजिए बेटा प्रॉपरली ड्रॉ कीजिए वर्किंग नोट 1 2 3 Yes, beta. We'll start. Write down. Format ready. Now just I'm going to finish with posting part. चलो शुरू करें. Yes. चलो one by one, one by one, one by one. चलो बेटा लिखो. 1st April 2001. टिक जी. To balance brought down. 1,20,000 face value. And this question, no opening interest receivable. So 1,18,000. 1/7/2001. To bank. To bank. 10,000. Number A. Number B, beta, we are going to calculate interest on this. 10,000 into 8% into 3 months. What is the interest amount, beta? 200. Then 100 debentures. At what price you bought? X interest 98. So don't deduct minus 200. Okay. And plus brokerage. Brokerage is 1%, no? Haji. 100 into 98 plus 1%. 9898. C and D. Beta, compulsory patience. Sir, is this difficult? Yes. Because confusion in dates. 30th September. Hidden entry. So red pen by bank. Hidden entry. Interest received. Whenever you are receiving interest, don't write it in the face value column and cost column. Okay. 1,30,000 into 5,200. एक अक्टूबर सोल्ड और परचेज सोल्ड है. सॉरी. 1 अक्टूबर बाय बैंक 20,000. Interest is 0. 200 into 100 minus 1%. Brokerage is deducted. 19,800. Whenever you are selling, calculate profit or loss. Roman 1, sales value as above. How much? 19,800. Roman 2, FIFO LIFO है. So less cost of sales. FIFO. So 1,20,000 में से गए कितने? 20,000. Lot 1. And lot 1 you bought at 1,18,000. So yesterday only I explained you 1,18,000 is a cost for 1,20,000. तो 20,000 के लिए कितना? 19,667. $133 profit. Profit on sale, working note 1, 133. 1 January, to bank, purchase 50, 5,000, 5,000 into 8% into 3 by 12. 100 rupees. 50 into 98 minus 1%, plus 1%, plus brokerage add होगा, purchase है 4,949. 1 February, by bank 20,000 into 8%, $200 into 1%, 19,602. Okay. And now you are working note 2, sales value as above, already format drawn, 19,602. $65 is a loss, beta. Loss. So loss we will write over here. 1st February. And last में closing balance. Market price lower of market value. 1,20 plus 10 plus 5 minus 20. Market value 95 means 950 debentures into What is the market price, beta? This is the first time this working note. 99. 94050 and cost 950 debentures you left with, na beta? And cost is 1,18,000 for 1,20,000. Out of that you sold 40,000 का माल, so you left with 80,000 का माल and plus 9898 and 4949. But first lot one you left with 80,000. Lot 2 you left with full 10,000. Lot 3 full. Nine three 513. So 93513. So buy balance carried down. Working note 3. 93513 or 514. And you left with 95,000. Yes, balancing figure. No, working note 3. And then balancing figure beta 2 P&L for interest. Tell me interest ki amount. 15 minutes is a target. What is the target? 15 minutes. Difficult hai? Yes, difficult hai. Okay. Beta, you have to contact ICAI. Vaishnav. Vaishnav is my surname. And Banwar is my father's name. And my name is Lakshmi. So beta Lakshmi, you have to contact institute only. Yes. बेटा डिफिकल्ट है पर गिव अप मत करो, सॉल्व करो, प्रैक्टिस करो. टुडे once again practice it. Yes, it's easy beta. Only 2 questions of debentures. Yes. After the break beta, we are going to start with illustrations of accounting standard 10. I hope I have taken your all questions which are important one. Still, if you want to practice of one more question, we'll take it after break. सर क्वेश्चन में आप कैसे हिंट लेके अलाउ है, लिखना अलाउड है? यस बेटा, क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा बहुत पेंसिल से लिख दो. कंफ्यूजन होगा ही बेटा. प्रेरणा प्रैक्टिस लगेगी बेटा, प्रैक्टिस. आज ये सेशन वापस एक बार देख बेटा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. अभी एक बार मेरे से प्रैक्टिस कर, बाद में वापस सेक्शन के साथ देख. पहले खुद से ट्राई कर, पहले एक बार खुद से ट्राई कर, फिर से सेशन देख. ये कंफ्यूजन होता है. 2 दिन में इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट खत्म होना इज नॉट अ जोक. फिर भी बेटा हम लोग करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं बिकॉज वी आर गेटिंग 2.5 hour. एंड एक्चुअली क्या हुआ, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग टाइम टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस आल्सो. इट्स ओके. तो आज के लिए मैं इतना ही लेने वाला हूं. डोंट वरी, वी आर गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन अदर इलस्ट्रेशन. सो हम लोग एक ब्रेक ले लेते हैं. यू नीड अ ब्रेक. 11:40 हुए हैं. सो एक बार मैं वापस से बोलता हूं. क्लोजिंग बैलेंस बेटा, closing balance is lower of market value. See, lower of market value. Now, what is the market value? 99. And out of first lot, you sold 20,000 plus 20,000, 40,000. So you left with 80,000. So lot 1, you left with 80,000. Lot 2, you left with 9898. Full. And lot 3, you left with 4949. And this total, whatever the total, this total is your cost. And what is market value? Market value of your debentures. You have 950 debentures in hand. 95,000 means 950 debentures of 99. So 99 rupees K. So our market value is more than cost. So we will record it at lower as per S because this is a current investment. So principle of AS 13 says whichever is lower, you will record this. So closing balance, whichever is lower. ठीक है, easy है. Should I give you my presentations? Should I give you my presentations of all questions? Yes, Anmol. साइंस बैकग्राउंड से हो तो बेटा थोड़ा सा फाउंडेशन का सेशन देखिए, बेसिक्स का. तो एक काम कीजिए, आई एम गिविंग यू टाइम टू टेक स्क्रीनशॉट्स. देयर माइट बी सम हाँ बेटा, थोड़े बहुत हो सकते कि कुछ वर्किंग्स में गलत होगा. यस, यू कैन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट्स ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. यस, स्क्रीनशॉट्स ले लीजिए. एंड टुडे यू फिनिश विद दिस. एक मिनट. हाँ, so this is your ILU 1 and 2. Take a screenshot. I'm counting 7 in mind. Yes. Screenshot number 2. I will write numbers also. Screenshot number 1, 2. So it will be easy for you. Next. Screenshot number 3. Screenshot number 4. Now you have my working also. ये शिफ्ट करना है बेटा, ये पूरा शिफ्ट करना है एक एक कॉलम. ये रॉन्ग हुआ है थोड़ा, तो शिफ्ट करो, शिफ्ट करो नेक्स्ट कॉलम में. स्क्रीनशॉट नंबर 5. So you will get my workings of all illustrations. Screenshot number 6. But might be some printing mistake, might be a problem, but you will get the idea how to solve the questions. Don't worry. Screenshot number 7. All category questions बेटा same questions की category है. Today you have lot of homework. हाँ, आज आपका दिन पढ़ाई में जाए. 8. 9th already done बेटा. TY के questions बेटा 9. स्क्रीनशॉट 8 हुआ था ना. हाँ, 9 नंबर स्क्रीनशॉट. और यू कैन वॉच दिस सेशन वंस अगेन. स्क्रीनशॉट्स अवेलेबल ही है. यस, 10 नंबर बेटा स्क्रीनशॉट्स ले लीजिए. 10 नंबर वी आर डन ना. व्हाई यू हैव टू टेक स्क्रीनशॉट्स. 10 हो गया, 11 हो गया, 12 भी हो गया, 13 यू कैन टेक. 13 ले लीजिए. एंड लास्ट वन. over over. So we have finished with all these illustrations beta, all these illustrations. चलो, thank you, and we will meet after the break. Break के बाद मिलेंगे. Our break will start at 11:42 हुआ है. So टिल 12 o'clock ब्रेक एंड 12 से 1 हम लोग लेंगे S10. डोंट मिस इट. S10 ऑल प्रैक्टिकल इलस्ट्रेशंस. सो नाउ क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन होगा. सो इफ यू हैव एनी डिफिकल्टीज, यस, देखते हैं. हाँ जी. ओके. 400 पेजेस के बुक में लिखना है पूरा. चलो, ब्रेक ले लीजिए मनीष जी. 12 बजे तक ब्रेक. चलो, now let's start with accounting standard 10K illustrations. We'll discuss it within 1 hour. We will discuss all these questions. And beta, after 1 hour, okay, after 1 hour, beta, I'm going to give you some time for screenshots. तो चलो join हो जाइए फटाफट. Yes, अपने पास 45 minutes to 1 hour में मैं खत्म कर दूंगा. Don't worry. Okay. So welcome back once again, every one of you. चलो बेटा, because now it's a theory questions. हाँ जी. Okay. Anything, if you find difficult, you can ask me. Have done with these illustrations, and tomorrow we are going to start with the fresh accounting standards, accounting standard 16. So don't miss tomorrow's session. Tomorrow's session is very, very important. चलिए मेरे दोस्त लोग, चलो 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 चलो. Illustration number 1. How to write the answer? We will first read it carefully. Yes, every question, but I will give you 3 to 4 minutes. Entity for every question. So 10 to 15 questions. How many questions are there? I just want to check it. एंड लास्ट में मैं आपको टाइम दूंगा स्क्रीनशॉट्स के लिए, सो डोंट वरी बेटा. एंटिटी ए. यस, इफ यू हैव एनी डिफिकल्टी यू कैन आस्क मी इन इलस्ट्रेशंस. हाँ, वन बाय वन जब हम लोग जा रहे हैं. हाँ जी, 100 पेजेस ऑफ एज 13. हाँ बेटा, देता हूं देता हूं देता हूं. लास्ट में 100 पेजेस ऑफ एज 13 एंड दिस क्वेश्चंस बेटा साथ में देता हूं. ओके. एंटिटी ए, अ सुपर मार्केट चेन. Entity A is a supermarket chain, is renovating one of its major store. One of its major store, underline renovating. The store will have more available space, underline more available space. So beta, your space is increasing, so your probable future economic benefit will flow to the enterprise, correct? And cost can be measured reliably after renovation. So more future economic benefits, so you will capitalize. Management is preparing the budgets for the year after store reopens, which includes cost of remodeling. So first cost is remodeling cost, an expectation of 15% increase in the sales by doing the store renovation, which will attract new customer. So whether remodeling cost is capitalized or not. So what is the question? Remodeling cost capitalize करना है क्या नहीं करना है? So see the answer. I will give you time for screenshots at the end. Yes, take a screenshot बेटा. बाद में, अभी नहीं. So first thing, entity A incurs renovation expenditure. PP is recognized only when this is a fact. Then future economic benefit will flow to the enterprise. If you don't write, if you say only capitalize, you won't get marks. आपको ऐसा ही लिखना पड़ेगा. Facts, provision, and conclusion. Okay. And therefore, the expenditure of the remodeling cost has to be capitalized. Remember that. हमें ये expenditure capitalize करना है. Say yes or no. Understood? Any difficulty? Yes, beta. 100 pages of accounting standard 13 I will give you at the end. ठीक है, आगे. हेलो, घरात लेक्चर घेतोय. हम्म. एक ही मिनट है बेटा, जस्ट 1 minute. You read question number 2. You read question number 2. Come to illustration number 2. Illustration 2. Entity A has freehold property. Freehold property which it intends to knock down and redevelop. During the redevelopment period, the company will move its production facility to another site. The following incremental cost will be incurred. Setup cost to install the machine in the new location. Rent, removal cost of 3 lakhs to transport machine from one location to another. Can you tell me beta कौन सी कॉस्ट को कैपिटलाइज करेंगे? Yes, tell me it in the comment section. Which cost you are going to capitalize? Which cost you are going to capitalize? Yes, tell me it in the comment section. फटाफट बोलिए. Can you tell me the answer? Yes. So what is the answer? Except rent cost? No. Redevelopment period, the company will move its operation to another site. Costs are not included in the cost of asset if they are not attributable directly to bringing the asset to the location and condition. Ratta maar. If costs are not to be included in the cost of asset, if they are not directly attributable to bringing, ये by heart करना पड़ेगा, to bringing the asset to the location and condition. Rattamar means by heart. Necessary for it to be capable of operating in the manner intended by the management, incremental cost would have been avoided. Nature of relocating or reorganizing operations of the company and do not meet the requirement of S10, thus do not capitalize. Instead, they will be treated as revenue expenditure. All these expenditure, set up to new location, all these costs of relocating and reorganizing, and therefore we are not going to capitalize it. Okay, so these are relocation costs. All these expenses beta are relocation expenses. So ये याद रखो कि हमें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे लेके जाना है मशीन, बस उसके लिए ये खर्चे हैं, तो ये खर्चों को बिल्कुल भी कैपिटलाइज मत करिए. ये क्वेश्चन आईएमपी है. मार्क दिस क्वेश्चन एज आईएमपी. All these expenses are to be considered in the revenue expenditure. Next one. Third one. Chalo, read this question and tell me the answer. Read this question. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Omega Limited contracted with a supplier to purchase machinery which is to be installed in one department in 3 months' time. Spatial foundation. Yes. Spatial foundation, we will add the cost of the site preparation. Capitalize. C. These activities were supervised by a technical person who is getting 45,000 per month into 3 months. Capitalize 45,000 into 3 months. The machine was purchased at 1 crore 58 lakhs. Direct cost. Capitalize. Transportation cost. Capitalize. An architect was appointed 30,000 fees, not per month. So don't multiply by 3 months into 30,000 directly. Yes, capitalize. You are required to calculate the amount. See, purchase price सबसे पहले, site preparation cost, salary, transportation, and supervision. 1 crore 61 lakh 55,000. Easy. Illustration number 3 is very easy. Yes, everyone can do illustration number 3. अरे say yes or no. Illustration 3 easy था क्या? 3 is easy. 3 is easy. Come to 4 number. Come to 4 number. Yes. 3 easy था ना बेटा? अरे बोलो ना बेटा. इंडेक्स भी लिख के देता हूँ एट द एंड. कौन सा डिफिकल्ट था? इंडेक्स 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 दिखाओ. इंडेक्स दिया है शायद से, मैं बच्चों को भूल गया. मैं एग्जैक्टली याद नहीं मुझे. इंडेक्स शायद से लिख के दिया है. यस, इंडेक्स इज गिवन. A category. Third one is a C category. So first one, remodeling cost capitalized, recognition criteria met. Relocation cost is excluded from the capitalization, A category. Chalo, fourth one beta now. Entity A, which operates a major chain supermarket, has acquired a new store location. The new location requires significant renovation expense. Renovation expense is the first one. Management expects that renovation expense will last for 3 months, during which supermarket will be closed. So renovation will take for 3 months. तो renovation complete होने को 3 महीने लगने वाले हैं. Management has prepared the budget for the period, including expenditure related to construction and remodeling cost, salary to staff who will be preparing the store before its opening, and related utility cost. So how many costs are there, beta? 3 costs are there. And what is the treatment of this expenditure? Yes, can you tell me the answer? Chalo, sochiye. How many expenditure are there? You can write over there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So all costs are beta capitalized. Or few costs are capitalized. Or some expenditure, revenue expenditure, or all are revenue expenditure. What do you think? सबसे तेज आंसर कौन दे रहा है देखते हैं. बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट चैप्टर की प्रैक्टिस करो आज. Please do it sincerely. I want every one of you will practice for investment. Don't watch today's match. Don't spend your Sunday beta. Okay, please have effective Sunday by doing investment chapter 3 to 4 hours. Please give me a promise. Huh? Sunday बर्बाद मत करियो बेटा. Yes, salaries are paid even it is not renovated. Yes, beta. Very good. So how to write the answer? Budget management includes costs related to, you can see here, construction, remodeling, salaries to staff and related utilities. Capitalize the cost necessary to bring the asset to the condition necessary for operating in the manner intended by the management. As per S10, cost not necessary to bring the asset to its condition necessary for operation should be expenditure. As per the provision, construction and remodeling cost can be capitalized, whereas salary to staff and related utility cost needed to send to profit and loss account as revenue expenditure. Yes, you will transfer it to revenue expenditure. Okay, so ये capital expenditure था. This is C, this is R, this is also R. तो देखो कंस्ट्रक्शन बेटा प्रोविजंस लिखना ये रट्टा मार. Provisions are ratta mar. So do it properly. To write the answer only revenue and capitalize, beta, you won't get half mark, beta, 1.5 mark, half. 5 marks में से you have to write facts, you have to write provisions नहीं लिखा तो कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा. If you write in this way, then only you'll get the marks. मैं पहले ही बोल देता हूँ मार्क्स आपको तब भी मिलेंगे. जस्ट कैपिटल और रेवेन्यू लिखा, मार्क्स नहीं मिलने वाले हैं. तो अच्छे से लिखो फैक्ट क्या है, प्रोविजन क्या है, और कंफ्यूजन नहीं कंक्लूजन क्या है. चलिए, सो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन बी कैटेगरी का था. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन बी कैटेगरी. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर फिफ्थ. 5. चलो 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 5 नंबर. हाँ जी भाई साहब, ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है. अम्यूजमेंट पार्क हैज अ सॉफ्ट ओपनिंग टू द पब्लिक टू अ ट्रायल रन इट्स अट्रैक्शन. Tickets are sold at 50% discount. Beta, we already discussed this in the class. And the operating capacity is 80%. The official opening day of the amusement park is 3 months later. Management claims that the soft opening is a trial run. Is it trial run? आप लोगों के जान से खेलोगे? Are you going to, play with the public, better their lives? No, not at all, because it's a soft opening. So you already studied it, and it's not a trial run. So this cost, net operating cost of this is not a trial run cost. So this is better. Yes, you can read the theory now, facts of the case, provision and conclusion. Same way, beta. Already, though you are running at a less than the full capacity, it is already beta conditions, cost you already incurred to make it necessary for operating. Hence, the costs are not specifically startup cost, and therefore this is revenue expenditure. You cannot claim it as a capital expenditure. आप इसको capital expenditure claim नहीं कर सकते हो भाई. आप लोगों के जान के साथ नहीं खेल सकते हो. देखो, आपने amusement park चालू किया इमेजिका चालू करने के बाद बेटा सॉफ्ट ओपनिंग मतलब शुरुआत के कुछ राइड्स चालू हो चुके. राइड्स मतलब 60% 70% राइड्स चालू हो चुके, और आपको 50% पे लोगों ने डिस्काउंट दिया. उन्होंने बुरे राइड्स नहीं चालू हुए, पर भाई साहब वो लोग बोल रहे कि ये मेरा 50% का जो नुकसान हुआ है ना, वो मैं ऑपरेटिंग लॉस करके बताएगा. नहीं चलेगा रे. यस, ऑपरेटिंग लॉस नहीं, मैं कैपिटलाइज करूंगा. नहीं चलेगा, रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर में है. कहां पे है ये? रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर में. आप नहीं कर सकते हो. टिल नाउ एनी डिफिकल्टी? टिल नाउ एनी डिफिकल्टी? टिल नाउ एनी डिफिकल्टी? होगी तो बताइए सर जी, जल्दी बताइए. वेट करू छू. हाँ, यू गेव द सेम एग्जांपल इन द क्लास. हाँ जी सर, अरे वही इसीलिए तो दिया था ना. ओके सर, 5 नंबर क्वेश्चन है कैटेगरी. नो, एक कैटेगरी का क्वेश्चन था 5 नंबर. अभी आ जाएंगे 6 नंबर पे. मस्त मस्त क्वेश्चन है 6 नंबर. सर, commercial substance. I told you that I will explain this concept through example 1. तो आज आया एग्जाम्पल का कैटेगरी. क्या होता है बेटा? Sometimes institute gives me only 1 day or 2 days to finish that accounting standard. So it's very difficult for me to manage within these 2 days, and that's why we take some part of the standard at the beginning of the session and another standard at the end of the session. Okay, so ऐसा नहीं होगा कि always that accounting standard, sir, I already explained you all concepts about accounting standard 10. So now it's time for taking some illustrations, but I have to finish accounting standard 13 also in the first half. So therefore, beta, try to understand. Some part of AS13 is also left that I will take it in the next session, sir. So what is the concept? See, suppose you have Activa and your friend has Jupiter. Okay. Your friend told you that we will exchange this Activa with Jupiter. I got bored. So you are getting bored due to Activa, beta. Same vehicle you are driving for last 3 years, and your friend is also driving this Jupiter from last 3 years. So you exchange it. Can you tell me whether there is any commercial means economical substance? No, it's only a non-commercial activity, or you can, a commercial substance is better lacking. Commercial substance is lacking. Okay. In your book, Activa is showing 45,000 rupees balance. In your friend's book, Jupiter is showing 50,000 balance. So these are BV, book value, BV, book value. Fair value of Activa, assume 55,000. Jupiter, assume 51,000. Fair value. So remember, I am giving Activa and taking Jupiter. Activa goes out, Jupiter comes in, and I will continue with my book value 45,000. I will continue with my book value. Book value is Activa. तो जब भी मुझे commercial substance lacking है, if commercial substance lacking, I won't consider Jupiter का book value, not fair value. I will consider book value of asset given up. Book value of asset given up. Okay. So book value of asset given up is considered if we are exchanging the asset and there is no commercial फायदा, नो कमर्शियल सब्सटेंस. ध्यान में रखो, एक बार हिंदी में बता देता हूं. जब भी आपने आपके फ्रेंड के साथ एक एक्टिवा को एक्सचेंज किया, आपकी एक्टिवा है और आपके फ्रेंड का जुपिटर है. 1 मिनट. और हुआ क्या? आपने एक्टिवा एक्सचेंज किया आपके फ्रेंड के साथ. सर यस सर, एक्टिवा को एक्सचेंज किया फ्रेंड के जुपिटर के साथ. और हुआ क्या? आपको कोई भी इसमें फायदा नहीं है. बस एक बोर हो चुके हैं वही गाड़ी से, इसलिए हमने गाड़ी को बदल दिया. तो यहां पे एक्सचेंज किया, बदल भी नहीं दिया. नया गाड़ी नहीं ली दी. ओके, नया गाड़ी नहीं लिया है, जस्ट एक्सचेंज किया है. तो बेटा व्हेनेवर देयर इज एन एक्सचेंज, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एंड देयर इज नो एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग लेंगे बुक वैल्यू ऑफ एसेट गिवन अप. एंड सपोज अब ये जुपिटर के बदले में साइकिल ले लीजिए. सो यस, साइकिल इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम बेटा एक्टिवा. So commercial substance exist. Commercial substance exist. And whenever commercial substance exists, you will record it at fair value. कौन से वैल्यू पे रिकॉर्ड करोगे? Fair value. So वो क्या होता है? That we have to see it in this. Yes. Chart. In this chart, you can see the chart. मस्त चार्ट दिया है इंस्टीट्यूट ने. Yes, I already told you to read this theory. When there is a commercial substance, मतलब extra benefit, cost of such PPE is measured at fair value of asset given up. If you do not have a fair value of asset given up, then you can take asset taken up, asset received. Okay, and WDV of asset given up. If second one is not available, then you will continue with the given up value. Okay. And if commercial substance lacks, asset given up की book value, WDV means book value. Here you will consider book value. BV, पहले fair value of the asset given up. Here commercial substance, no commercial substance. कमर्शियल सब्सटेंस होगा तो फेयर वैल्यू ऑफ एसेट गिवन अप, वो नहीं है तो फेयर वैल्यू ऑफ द एसेट टेकन अप, वो भी नहीं है तो फिर बुक वैल्यू ऑफ एसेट गिवन अप. तो पहले क्राइटेरियाज, इधर 3 क्राइटेरियाज है. पहले एसेट गिवन अप की फेयर वैल्यू, फिर टेकन अप की फेयर वैल्यू, और वो भी नहीं तो गिवन अप की बुक वैल्यू. पर कमर्शियल सब्सटेंस नहीं है, तो बुक वैल्यू ऑफ एसेट गिवन अप को जाएंगे, बुक वैल्यू ऑफ एसेट गिवन अप से जाएंगे। गॉट द कॉन्सेप्ट? गॉट द कॉन्सेप्ट? यस, आई गॉट द कॉन्सेप्ट। चलो बताओ बताओ बताओ, इज इट डिफिकल्ट और इजी? चलो बताओ भाई। कमर्शियल सब्सटेंस मतलब, commercial substance means in exchange we are in the commercial benefit. If no extra benefit, no commercial benefit, then beta it is only a satisfaction to your mind. Yes, I'm using different asset. Okay, so this is called as no commercial substance. And yes, if you are do definitely extra benefit, then yes, fair value. Yes. Komal beta, please try to understand the concept. हाँ, अच्छा, through example. Now Komal, you will understand it through example only. See beta, entity A exchanges land 10 lakhs की for cash of 20 lakhs. Cash. So beta, commercial substance exists and plant and machinery. Tell me whether this is only for satisfaction. Not at all. Not at all. Commercial substance is lacking. Here there is a commercial substance. Sorry. Commercial substance exists, not lacking. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? There is a commercial substance. Land के बदले में plant and machinery. Okay. So what is the book value of my land? 10 lakhs. Book value. Cash is fair value. And plant and machinery is my asset, which is also at fair value. And balancing figure is my profit. So my book value is land goes out 10 lakhs, comes in cash and plant and machinery, which I will record it at fair value. And balancing figure is profit and loss account. Directly fair value of land is not given. So we will consider fair value of the cash and plant and machinery. रेवा दे, गई छे लाइट, चालू रखते। Okay. So here we have finished with the concept of illustration number 6, commercial substance exists. And if commercial substance lacks, okay, so Komal, now you understood beta? Commercial substance lacks. कोमल अभी भी नहीं समझा क्या बेटा? देख, एंटिटी ए एक्सचेंजेस कार एक्स with a book value of, so this is given up, with a fair value of 13 lakh 25,000. No, not at all. For a cash you are giving 15,000 with a fair value of 13 lakh 10,000. No, not at all. The transaction lacks commercial substance. It's specifically given in the question. So what is the car X ka value? Goes out, book value, cash comes in, and balancing figure car Y. Okay, so here there is no profit or loss. See, if commercial substance is not lacking, exists, so there will be P&L. But if commercial substance not lacks, then beta, it is a profit. No profit, no loss. Okay. Now understood? 6 and 7. So very, 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 very important. 6 and 7, very, very, very important questions. Are you finding it easy? सो एसेट गिवन अप वैल्यू पे रिकॉर्ड किया, सो नो प्रॉफिट नो लॉस. नेक्स्ट, इलू 8. इलू 8. Sir, if the cost of previous part or inspection was not identified in the transaction, sir, land के बदले में रिटो बैनर्जी जी, just understand रिटो, if you exchange it land with your plant and machinery, but obvious there is commercial substance. But if you exchange bike with bike, car with car, no commercial substance. Okay, and it's given in the question also, and you can apply common sense. लैंड लिया और प्लांट एंड मशीनरी दिया, या प्लांट एंड मशीनरी लिया लैंड दिया, तो बेटा कमर्शियल सब्सटेंस एग्जिस्ट ही करेगा ना. ठीक है. What happens if the cost of previous part inspection was not identified in the transaction in which the item was acquired? Sir, we already solved. Mandatory, you have to derecognize the carrying amount of, yes, carrying amount of existing asset. सर वी सॉल्व इन द टीवाई के क्वेश्चंस. हमने ये ऑलरेडी टीवाई के क्वेश्चन में सॉल्व किया था कि पहले का पार्ट को डीरिकॉग्नाइज करने का और नए पार्ट को ऐड करने का, वो बड़ा वाला क्वेश्चन था ना, एक कंपलसरी है, आप इसको बोलो ही मत. एंड इफ इट इज नॉट प्रैक्टिकेबल ना, तो अभी की प्राइस लेने की 4 साल पीछे जाने का, प्रेजेंट वैल्यू निकालने का, उसका डेप्रिसिएशन निकालने का, वो माइनस करके प्रीवियस पार्ट को डीरिकॉग्नाइज करने का, नए पार्ट को ऐड करने का. दिस इज मैंडेटरी. This is mandatory. Okay. Yes. Illustration 8, 9 we already covered in the form of practical questions. 10 number. Sir, that is also taken, already taken. 10 number. Entity A is large manufacturing group. It owns a number of industrial buildings such as factories, warehouses and office buildings. तो वो लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं कि ऑफिस बिल्डिंग को हमने रिवैल्यू किया, बट रिमेनिंग मॉडल को हिस्टोरिकल कॉस्ट ही रखा. अलाउड है, क्लास बाय क्लास इज अलाउड. हाँ, but one asset is revalued and another asset is not revalued in the same category, it's not allowed. Means one office building is revalued and another office building is not revalued. So students will find this कि ये building is not one class of building, office building, and one is industrial building. So you can revalue industrial building but not office building. ये allowed है. You can revalue office building, don't revalue industrial building. ये भी allowed है. You revalue both. ये भी allowed है. You revalued nothing is also allowed. Okay. So one class you can revalue, another class you can continue with the historical cost. Allowed है. Okay, allowed है. इलेवन नंबर. 11 number. Entity A has a policy of not providing the depreciation on PP capitalized in the year until the following year, but provides full year depreciation in the year of disposal of the asset. Is it not allowed? It is not allowed. Okay. It's not allowed. Depreciation should start in the year in which the asset is acquired and is available to use. So you can read the theory. Yes, facts of the case is not allowed. So depreciation should commence immediately when the asset is acquired. So policy of A Limited is not allowed. ILU 12. Elude 12. Any difficulty till now? अरे इट्स वेरी सिंपल. लास्ट 5 क्वेश्चंस बेटा. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. बस 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 बस. हो गया हो गया. वी आर एट द एंड ऑफ द सेशन. आई नो नाउ यू आर हंग्री ऑल्सो. हो गया बेटा. हो गया हो गया. Madhav, if machine is available for use but no production happened, still depreciation will be provided due to wear and tear of the asset. Due to wear and tear of the asset, beta. You're getting this point, Madhav? Yes, very important questions. Huh? These questions are really very important in your real life also. चलो 1 लाख का मशीन था. एंटिटी ए का 1 लाख का मशीन था. एंड एसेट हैज यूजफुल लाइफ ऑफ 10 years. 10 साल लाइफ है. रेसिडुअल वैल्यू નથી રે, 0 છે. On 1st January 2005, the directors reviewed the estimated life and decided that asset will probably more life of 4 years. Very simple question. 1 जनवरी देखो टाइमलाइन डायग्राम. 1 जनवरी 2005 और 2001. 1 लाख लाइफ 10 years. Revalued re-estimation, that is after 1 पूरा 2 3 4 after 4 years. So 1 lakh minus depreciation of 4 years. So depreciation of 4 years is 1 lakh minus 0 upon 10 into 4, 40,000. So your WDV is 60,000. 4 years का depreciation and divide by further 4 years. 15,000 का depreciation होएगा. Yes, 60,000 divided by 4 years, 15,000 का depreciation. Very simple. Very simple. Revised life. So 12 number is revised life. Come to 13 number. Last 4 questions. Don't give up. Don't give up. Last 4 questions. Over. NTDB constructs a machine for its own use. Construction is completed on 1st November. But company does not begin the machine till 1st March. Put to use. Put to use. 1st November से शुरू होगा. Yes. 1st November से शुरू करना है. Depreciation from 1st November. Put to use. Though you are not ready to use. Put to use is important. Bas. Yes. 3 questions. Only 3 questions, beta. We are at the end. 14, 15, 16. Over. And then it's a time to take screenshots. Screenshots का time होगा शुरू. Property costing 10 lakhs. IMP question है ये. The total physical life is 50 years. Company considers to sell the property after 20 years. So you will consider 20 years. Okay, 50 years to confuse us. You will consider depreciation only of that years. हाँ जी. Residual value 10 लाख का 10 लाख है तो 0 depreciation. And 10 lakh का 9 lakh है तो 1 lakh depreciation divided by 20. So in second case it will be 5,000. Depreciation will be 5,000. Case B. No depreciation as residual value is equals to cost. And case B 5,000. 2 questions. 2 questions, sir. बस 2 क्वेश्चन बचे सर. 2 क्वेश्चंस. खत्म खत्म खत्म. Sir, last 2 questions, sir. Last 2 questions. Over, sir. This chapter over. Entity B manufactures industrial chemicals and using blending machine in the production process. The output of the blending machine is consistent year after year. So blending machine output is year after year same. So straight line method should be adopted. Okay. and factors such as maintenance cost, technical obsolescence are also considered while deciding useful life. So ये line एक important था. And last question of the day. Last question of the day. So which method is important one? We have finished with. And 16 number. Entity carried a plant. So this is a book value, 2 lakhs. These were destroyed in the fire. The asset is new for old and replaced by the insurance company with a new machine of 20 lakhs. The machines are acquired by the insurance company and the company did not receive 20 lakhs as cash compensation. So exchange में मिला है losses you have to recognize in the plant and machinery account and separately recognize the receivable amount. So two entries you are going to pass. P&L account debit to asset, full 2 lakhs, and insurance company is your debtor to P&L 20 lakhs. So you have to pass two entries, loss key entry and 20 lakh receivable key entry. And here we have finished with this accounting standards. Yes, S10 के all questions. I hope TY के questions के मैं आपको screenshot दे दूंगा. You can see TY के questions by your own and we will do in next session accounting standard 16. Okay, अच्छे से करना. Yes, screenshots ले लो फटाफट फटाफट. It's time to take screenshots of full chapter. Please, please, please take a screenshot and write it today itself. आज के आज ही लिखना. मैं पहले रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं आपको. आज मुझे पता है बहुत होमवर्क है, बहुत होमवर्क है. Yes, maximum homework, minimum 4 to 5 hours का homework. And tomorrow we are going to meet on evening. तो आज आपको पूरा दिन अकाउंट्स पढ़ना है, full day accounts, minimum 5 to 6 hours. Screenshot. Screenshot number 1. Screenshot number 2. Patience. Patience. Screenshot number 3. Screenshot number 4. Screenshot number 5. You can pause the lecture and you can write at the end. 5. If you have any difficulty, you can type it. Screenshot number 6. मजा आ गया सर आज. Screenshot number 7. Screenshot number 8. बेटा लिखा नहीं तो कुछ फायदा नहीं है, लिखा नहीं तो फायदा नहीं है. Screenshot number 9. ओ ओ हीटर चालू. 9. Sorry, now you can take a screenshot. 9. Screenshot number 10. I'm going to miss you for one day. 2.5 hours is major session है ये. 2 hours 30 minutes. बेटा they have not replaced machine. 10 हुआ ना. 11. चालू कर. 11. 12. बेटा इन्वेस्टमेंट का भी स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है. थ्योरी 100 पेजेस का. 15, 16. And last one नो 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 नो। 14, 15, टीवाई के 12, रट्टा मार, ये ऑलरेडी लिया था शायद से। 16, 17, 16, 16 स्क्रीनशॉट्स हैं। 17, ऑलरेडी रिटर्न। हाँ। 18, ओवर ओवर ओवर। 19, ये मस्त क्वेश्चन था। 20, एक सेकंड, 20, 21, ओवर। हो गया भाई, हो गया। आज का सेशन संडे आपका मस्त हुआ। एंड 13 नंबर की 100 पेजेस की बुक, 100 पेजेस की बुक बेटा। हाँ जी, 1, हो गया भाई। 1, 2, 3, प्री एक्विजिशन इंटरेस्ट। 4, 5, you write this. In the next session, I will explain a short part of remaining part of the standard. Only very small, but hardly 15-minute discussion we left with that we'll cover in the next session. 6, 7, 8. If question is silent, to assume X interest always. 9, and last part 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Righteous. बहुत सारी चीजें 100 पेजेस के बुक में लिखनी है। 15th, यस, बिग चैप्टर बेटा। एंड 16, 17 एंड एंड है। चलो, so this is all for today's session. Thank you and bye bye. Take care. Tomorrow we are going to start with the fresh accounting standard. I hope you will do good. And ये last का जो part है, पूरे screenshot जो है, yes बेटा, it will take maximum time. 7 to 8 hours जाने वाला है. Today bifurcate your hours. Today you do study for 4 hours and tomorrow you 3-4 hours and finish with AS 10 and AS 13. So next session we can start in the tomorrow's session बेटा, AS 16. AS 16. Yes, I won't say you to read the AS 16. Yes, you can attend it tomorrow itself. Okay. Thank you. धन्यवाद. कल मिलेंगे. 6 बजे शाम को। बाय बाय।